Good morning, dear students. Now here we have one more theory about acids and base, and it is about conjugate acids and conjugate bases. Conjugate acids and bases are in the relation of Lowry-Bronsted acid-base theory. So let us discuss here. As per the knowledge of Lowry-Bronsted acid-base theory, compound which donates H plus proton is acid. This is what Lowry and Bronsted has suggested, and even we have seen examples about it, that those compounds which are donating H plus proton are acid, and the compound which accepts H plus proton are base. Now, as per the Lowry-Bronsted theory, Lowry-Bronsted acid, when releases the proton or when give away or donates the proton, and the resulting species is conjugate base. In the same way, when Lowry-Bronsted base accepts the proton, then the resulting species is conjugate acid. So conjugate base is what? It is the resulting species when H plus proton is released as per the Lowry-Bronsted acid. And conjugate acid is the species which is because of the exception of the proton as per the Lowry-Bronsted base. Let us see here the example, so which will be exactly clarified to us. We have here acetic acid plus H2O base. Here CH3COOH is acid because Lowry-Bronsted told that compound which donates H plus. So here H plus is donated, and after donating H plus proton, the resulting species is acetate ion, CH3COO minus. So when as per the Lowry-Bronsted acid, it donates H plus proton, the resulting species is conjugate base. And on the other hand, H2O is base because it accepts this H plus proton, and when this H plus proton is accepted by H2O, then the resulting species on exception is H3O plus hydronium ion. So it is conjugate acid. Acid on H plus proton will give conjugate base. Base on exception of H plus proton will give conjugate acid. So we can say that acetic acid on donation of H plus proton gives acetate ion, which are one conjugate pair, and water molecule on accepting one proton gives H3O plus ion, that is one another conjugate pair. So for this reaction, if we are supposed to write conjugate pair, then CH3COOH to CH3COO minus is one conjugate pair. This is acid, this is conjugate base, and H2O to hydronium ion is the another conjugate pair, but this is base and this is conjugate acid. We know that hydronium ion, H3O plus, is called hydronium ion. It sometimes is also called oxonium ion. So please keep in mind, hydronium ion is also called oxonium ion. One more example we'll see here, H2SO4 plus NH3. Now when H2SO4 is having H according to Arrhenius theory, compound or a substance having H releases H plus in water is acid. So here this compound is having H plus H2, which on reacting with water can release H2 plus. So it is acid. And according to Lowry-Bronsted, when H plus is donated, H2SO4 when donates H plus, then it is acid. And NH3 ammonia when gain or accepts H plus, then it is base. After donation of H plus proton, the acid leave the species or left the species which is sulfate ion, HSO4 minus, hydrogen sulfate ion. It is conjugate base. And ammonia base, after accepting proton, leave one new species, that is ammonium ion, NH4 plus, which is conjugate acid. The conjugate pair is H2SO4 to hydrogen sulfate ion, that is acid to conjugate base, and ammonia to ammonium ion, that is base to conjugate acid. Still one more example here is HCl when reacts with H2O. Here HCl is acid. It will donate H plus and leave Cl minus. So acid conjugate base. H2O water molecule when gain or accepts H plus will exist as H3O plus ion, hydronium ion. So this is base and the left out species is conjugate acid. So conjugate pairs here are HCl to Cl minus, acid to conjugate base, and H2O to H3O plus, that is base to conjugate acid. So once again, as per the Lowry-Bronsted theory, H plus donor acid, after donation of H plus proton, the species which remains as the resulting species, it is the conjugate base. And as per the Lowry-Bronsted theory, the compound which accepts the proton and result in the new species on the exception of the proton, it will be conjugate acid. So acid will give conjugate base and base will give conjugate acid. This will be the two conjugative pairs in the given respective reactions as per the Lowry-Bronsted theory, right? So this is what conjugate acid and base is there. And now on the knowledge of all these three type of acid base definitions as per Arrhenius, Lowry-Bronsted and Lewis, as well as according to the knowledge of conjugate acid and base, we can identify what are the acids, what are the base, and what are the conjugate acids and bases in the given examples, right? So here you will go through this theory and will try to solve the given examples according to your theory points. Thank you.